stuff ever. Like, about 2 hours ago, there was no snow on the ground, and everything was melted. It was raining, and then all of a sudden, we start hearing thunder. So we think it's like, we think it's like raining. And then I come out here to walk the dog, and it is a freaking blizzard. Like, there was no snow. None. And I saw a winter storm warning on my phone, and I heard, that there was winter. Okay, what are you doing? Come on. Winter storm warning. And I was hearing thunder, so I'm thinking, they called a winter storm warning, but it's raining. No, I was wrong. I was horribly wrong. This is the craziest stuff ever. Gotta turn on my freaking light. Katie, knock it off. Yes, I know it's snow. Quit running in it. Good girl. Thank you for peeing. I appreciate it. I mean, seriously. There was like already 3 inches of snow already. And I was out here less than 2 hours ago there was nothing. I mean, Kitty's having fun, but lighting! What the hell? This is the craziest stuff ever.
No kidding.
Like, I read winter storm warning on my phone, and I'm hearing thunder, and I'm like, it's raining.
Lightning and snow. Only in Wisconsin. Only in Wisconsin with this.
I mean, my puppy loves it, but
What's his name?
Katie.
Oh, what's up? Oh, her.
Her.
Oh, what's up, girl? Is she a wiener dog? What is she?
No, Beagle.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's your name?
Katie.
Katie, how you doing, girl?
Yeah, this is a pretty intense storm we got going on here.
I was out here like 2 hours ago, and there was no, there's just the sleet on the ground. It's like, I come out here, like, what?
It's thunder and lightning.
Come on, Katie, let's go. Come on.
Alright, man, have a good night.
Hey, you too.
Are we going or what?
Come on.
Well, bro.
Let's go. Come on, Katie. Come on, let's go. Yes, I know. Where did all the grass go? It's not going to be back tomorrow. I'm glad my phone has Katie, come on. Look at this. Jeez. The stop sign is blacked out. Come on, Katie. Yeah, I know, it's cold. Alright, let's go, Katie. It's cold. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Katie, come on. Leave me alone. Jeez. Yeah, I know, everyone's fun. Come on. Nope. Katie, quit it. Jeez. There's just like freaking snow everywhere. Look at me. Look at me. I'm soaked with snow. Go potty, kitty. Go potty. Lightning. Oh my gosh. Good girl, Katie. Good girl. Yeah, you did a good job. Good girl. Good girl. Thunder's not scary. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Katie. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I know it's cold. Let's go. You peed. You did what you wanted to do. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Come on, Katie. This way. This way. This morning it was sleeting. It was hailing. This afternoon it was hailing. All it took was a little drop in temperature. And we have crazy thunderstorms and a blizzard. This is just crazy. I don't even want to know what it's going to look like in the morning. Come on, Katie. See, look at my doorknob. Jeez. So... Good girl. Good girl.
Hi. Huh? Oh, you're videotaping?
Yeah. Alright, before I shut this off. That's what, like, 6 minutes of walking out in the snow did to me.
Look on top of your hat. Wow. That's thick.
Yeah, there was a really big thunderbolt out there while we made Katie jump.